Poet of beauty, pardon me, if touch of mine have tarnished thy pearl's pure lustre, loved by thee, or dimmed thy vision of the dead, alive in light and gaiety. Thy life is like a shadow fled, thy place we know not, nor degree, the stock that bore thee, school that bred, yet shall thy fame be sung and said, poet of wonder, pain and peace, hold high thy nameless, laurelled head, where Dante dwells with Beatrice. Pearl. Pearl that the prince full well might prize, so surely set in shining gold, no pearl of Orient with her vies, to prove her peerless I make bold. So round, so radiant to mine eyes, smooth she seemed, so small to hold, among all jewels judges wise would count her best 100-fold. Alas, I lost my pearl of old, I pine, with heart pain unforgot, down through my arbour grass it rolled, my own pearl, precious, without spot. Since in that spot it slipped from me, I wait and wish, and oft complain. Once it would bid my sorrow flee, and my fair fortune turn again. It wounds my heart now ceaselessly, and burns my breast with bitter pain. Yet never so sweet a song may be, as this still hour steals through my brain. While verity I muse in vain, how clay should her bright beauty clot. O earth, a brave gem thou dost stain, my own pearl, precious, without spot. Needs must that spot with spices spread, where such wealth falleth to decay. Fair flowers golden, and blue, and red, shine in the sunlight day by day. Nor flower nor fruit have withered on turf wherein such treasure lay. The blade grows where the grain lies dead, else were no ripe wheat stored away. Of good come good things, so we say, then surely such seed faileth not, but spices bring in sweet array from my pearl, precious without spot. Once, to that spot of which I rhyme, I entered, in the arbour green, in August, the high summer-time, when corn is cut with sickles keen. Upon the mound where my pearl fell, tall, shadowing herbs grew bright and sheen, gillyflower, ginger, and gromwell, with peonies powdered all between, as it was lovely to be seen. So sweet the fragrance there, I wot, worthy her dwelling, who hath been my own pearl, precious, without spot. Upon that spot my hands I crossed in prayer, for cold at my heart caught, and sudden sorrow surged and tossed, through reason reconcilement sought. I mourned my pearl, dear beyond cost, and strange fears with my fancy fought. My will in wretchedness was lost, and yet Christ comforted my thought. Such odours to my sense were brought, I fell upon that flowery plot, sleeping, asleep with dreams inwrought, of my pearl, precious, without spot.
First and foremost, I would like to greet Pearl and Drina Palma and Mr. Palma. Congratulations, kid. Hey, they are my students. And then Pearl, of course, in the special program in the arts. Kasadya pa na, sir. Kaya ako ginaang ginhaliman sa tanan nga wala man kami kabalo, just it's God's providence. Whatever obstacles in life, just cling on to God. First and foremost, matawagin si God sa center sa inyong relationship. I am so thankful man na ingaan the long life and to live in this world na maayo. So, magpinalanggaan na yung kita tanan and thank you for this opportunity.